Ordinary things, box design. The first thing that we're going to do is just look at how a box is made with 4 sides, a top and a bottom. Essentially, if you put those together, you get a cube shape. Like this. We've got 6 sides total, right? However, in box design, there's nothing to keep that together. So in standard box design, you need those 4 sides, the top and the bottom, plus 4 tabs or more. In this case, we have 5 tabs. Those tabs are going to help keep the box together, just folded together, or sometimes maybe with a little glue. In this case, one part was glued, the small little tab was glued, and everything else was left. Box making is important in sculpture and in design, in package design. It's something to think about because it's related to art. What you can do in your house is find a box and unbox it. See how it's made. You can do the same thing for envelopes. Hope you learned something.